Hello everyone, welcome to Student Fund Manager. I am Tuhinchura Sardar and as always it's great to see you here. Today we are going to discuss about sectorial returns in Indian stock market, where we will be looking at the overview of how each of these sectors perform as well as their average returns. So without waiting any further, let's get started. So in this video at first, we are going to calculate the CAGR and risk of the stocks. Then we are going to calculate its beta, how much it is tied to the market movements. And we are going to use index values of each sector to calculate these returns. And we have got these values from niftyindices.com. And lastly, we are going to compare the market cap as well as the profit margin of the top and bottom sector to see what are the differences. After computing the sectorial index values for the last 5 years, we have got the following values. And the best performing sector without a doubt is information technology, which has provided a compounded annual growth rate of 22.45% in the last 5 years, followed by consumer durables with 17.17 and energy with 15.2. And the worst performing index in last 5 years is media with a negative 8.51% return. We can observe that the beta of IT sector is not that high and it can be considered a safe investment since the beta value is neither very high nor too low. And in media we can see a similar type of beta, although higher than that of the IT sector. The profit margin of top 3 IT stocks are as follows. This has been decided on the basis of market cap of these companies. What you can observe here is that the net profit margins for these companies are not too distant from each other. Whereas when you take a look at media companies, we see a different image. The net profit margin of these media companies are all over the place. And we can also see that the values for net profit and net sales as well as market cap is much higher in IT companies compared to media companies. So in conclusion, we can say that these IT companies have a more predictable profit margin compared to media companies. And these IT companies also have higher market cap as well as higher transaction value. However, media companies may achieve better profit margin if the investment is made at the right time with the right information. And this analysis will also be impacting my investment decisions as I will prefer the top 5 sectors that we have found here. In following videos, I will be sharing with you the key performance indicators of each sector as well as the top 3 companies in each of these sectors. So that's it for today's video and I will see you next time. Take care.